Most double-din head units sold online are overpriced junk built to fail within months. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Tired of tangled wires and flaky Bluetooth freezing mid-playlist? This video cuts through the noise to show you reliable options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best double-din head units that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Kissound double-din car stereo. Boasting a 10.1-inch QLED display and universal double-din fit, it promises vivid visuals and clean installation across dashboards. Its rugged chassis and refined contours combine to support a snug, durable installation while preserving cabin aesthetics during daily commutes. With a peak power of 240 watts and dual subwoofer outputs, it delivers surprisingly deep bass without overpowering mids. A 10-band EQ and built-in DSP enable precise tuning for diverse genres, enhancing clarity and dynamic response across all channels. Wireless CarPlay and wired Android Auto are supported with voice control, enabling hands-free navigation and calls while the highway stretches ahead. An independent Bluetooth module reduces interference during calls and music streaming, while separate MirrorLink lets you mirror compatible devices via rear USB. MirrorLink support for iOS and Android adds versatility, letting you access apps and media directly from the phone while driving. Ambient lighting pulses in sync with music, creating a dynamic, immersive cabin atmosphere that enhances night driving enjoyment. Dedicated steering wheel control integration keeps essential functions within reach, supporting safer operation without needing to touch the screen. The unit fits a broad range of dash openings and mirrors the cabin aesthetic with a brushed aluminum style that exudes quality. In real-world testing, the built-in DSP and EQ delivered crisp highs, controlled mids, and tight bass across genres. Compared to the Suntech Core 11, Kissound offers deeper bass through dual sub outputs and faster wireless connectivity. The pros include premium build quality, a vivid display, and powerful audio performance driven by DSP and dual sub outputs. The cons include a higher price point relative to basic units and installation complexity for complex dash configurations, which may deter budget buyers. At number 4, we have the PL7, a feature-rich head unit crafted for drivers who value seamless connectivity and premium audio. From first glance, the 7-inch IPS display and sleek double-din profile clearly target tech-minded drivers seeking plug-and-play convenience. Build quality mixes a premium metal look with durable plastics, while the compact 7-inch footprint ensures it integrates neatly into most dashboards. The PL7 provides both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control, letting maps, music, and calls flow hands-free. Inside, a Fidelity DSP powers a 4.2-channel preamplifier delivering up to 240 watts and 2 subwoofer outputs. A large heatsink and optimized airflow minimize thermal buildup during extended bass-heavy sessions, preserving clean sound and reliable performance. An independent Bluetooth 5.3 module with an external antenna boosts connection stability, reduces static, and enables faster hands-free calls. Effortless device pairing aside, the 7-inch IPS touchscreen delivers sharp colors and wide angles, while the unit lacks a Wi-Fi hotspot function. Safety-conscious drivers appreciate the steering wheel control integration, which simplifies volume, track, and call management without removing hands from the wheel. Built to support rear-view guidance, the PL7 gives clearer parking cues and augmented awareness when backing into tight spaces. One notable caveat is the absence of a Wi-Fi hotspot feature, meaning online navigation or streaming relies entirely on your phone's data connection. Compared with typical wired-only double-din units, the PL7 adds wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless on-screen app access. The pros include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, robust Bluetooth stability, and a bright IPS 7-inch display. The cons include absence of a Wi-Fi hotspot and a user interface that could benefit from faster responsiveness. At number 3, we have the SJoyBring double-din car stereo. From the moment you lift it, the sturdy chassis with a brushed metal finish conveys premium durability and refined styling. The chassis remains compact and adaptable, designed to fit standard 7-inch head units while preserving access to essential gauges and controls. The 7-inch QLED HD display delivers vivid colors and wide viewing angles, ensuring readability in daylight and comfortable viewing from either seat. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration activates automatically on entry, empowering hands-free navigation, messaging, and music control without fumbling for cables. Built-in DSP with a 10-band EQ enables cabin tuning and preset storage, delivering studio-like acoustics across varied music genres. The system supports 4 speakers plus 2 subwoofers, creating a spacious sound field with clean bass response that remains controlled at high volumes. Included dash cam records at 720p resolution, while the waterproof night vision backup camera activates automatically when reversing for safer parking. The bundled cameras contribute to overall safety by capturing incidents and improving situational awareness during tight urban maneuvers. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity with a dedicated antenna ensures stable wireless streaming, and a high-sensitivity microphone preserves crystal-clear voice calls. MirrorLink compatibility casts apps and media from compatible smartphones onto the display, offering flexible navigation and entertainment during stops. In real-world testing, the unit responded smoothly to touch inputs and retained stable CarPlay connections without noticeable lag or dropouts. Compared to a rival Boss audio system, the SJoyBring offers brighter QLED display and more robust wireless CarPlay integration. The pros include excellent CarPlay compatibility, a vibrant 7-inch display, and a capable DSP. The cons include higher price and installation complexity. At number 2, we have the Alpine ILX W670. Designed for enthusiasts who crave smartphone integration and flexible tuning, this unit targets drivers seeking a clean, upgrade-friendly dash. The chassis uses a premium feel with a refined, minimal bezel that blends into most dashboards while offering sturdy mounting points. It centers around a 7-inch touchscreen framed by a compact depth that keeps installation clean without crowding the dash. In terms of core electronics, the ILX W670 delivers a reliable interface with wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Its sound-shaping suite centers on a sound boost menu that expands bass boost and mid-bass while enabling on-screen subwoofer tuning. Lighting link functionality ties Prismalink subwoofer enclosures to screen lighting to create a synchronized ambience with your music. Staying connected is effortless with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wired compatibility, letting you handle calls and apps without leaving the dash. The audio performance centers on a 13-band graphic EQ, 6-channel time correction, and crossovers for front, rear, and sub. Power stack capability adds mounting flexibility for Alpine amplifiers, simplifying organization and reducing rack space while preserving heat and airflow. 5-color key illumination plus SiriusXM readiness provides styling and satellite radio options that cater to night driving and long commutes. The customizable home screen with background image support lets you tailor the interface to your vehicle interior vibe. Bluetooth hands-free calling delivers clear voice transmission and quick access during daily commutes, road trips, and urgent hands-free moments. Compared to a similarly priced Kenwood option, the Alpine offers more flexible tuning and a cleaner display, but trails in app responsiveness. The pros include smartphone integration, extensive sound customization, and a vivid, responsive display that makes daily use effortless. The cons include a higher price and a somewhat steep learning curve for new users that can slow early setup and enjoyment. At number 1, we have the QLED double-din car stereo. Its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration lets you mirror your phone apps without cables, simplifying navigation, calls, and music on the road. The upgraded 7-inch QLED HD screen delivers vibrant color and sharp detail, supporting high-definition video playback for clear navigation and media. Easily connect your iOS or Android phone via USB to mirror the screen and enjoy maps, music, and video apps. 4.2-channel audio output with 4 RCA channels and 2 subwoofer outs delivers powerful, clear, and customizable sound. Bluetooth stability is improved by an independent module and antenna, enabling smoother wireless music streaming and hands-free calls. The included HD night vision backup camera provides a wide 170-degree view and activates automatically when reversing. Safety driving with effortless steering wheel controls keeps your hands on the wheel by letting you adjust volume and change tracks. Installation notes emphasize dash opening compatibility and the possible need for a dash kit or additional adapters. Some car models may require 2 extra accessories such as a wire harness adapter and radio antenna adapter. Expert support is available with wiring diagrams and harness guidance to simplify installation and troubleshooting. In daily use, the responsive touch interface and quick app loading keep maps and Spotify ready within moments. When you compare to the Sony X8 5000, this QLED model offers wireless CarPlay plus a brighter screen and easier installation. The pros include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, vibrant 7-inch QLED screen, and 4.2-channel audio. The cons include higher price and dash kit requirements.